All right, y'all, so they just finished doing a 3D scan of my face here with the Thump 3D that you see here and that you see there. And it's currently meshing, and the meshing has completed.
So basically one part for mechanical accuracy.
Oh, there we go. I'll let the experts do that. So there it is. Pretty detailed. It's got all my wrinkles, all my imperfections, but it's all good. It just goes to show what a great product this
But it
is.
is not the perfect. It is not very perfect in details because the software is still optimizing because they use the different technology.
Ah, I see.
In
Okay.
the next generation,
Yeah.
It will be better because this scanner FOV it is 10 centimeter and another is 20 centimeter.
Okay.
FOV, yes, 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter. For that one, it is 12 centimeter and 30 centimeter.
Oh, cool.